In the mountains the spirits rise, a Hmong warrior with fire in his eyes, calling the ancient, the power within. Through the shaman's chant, let the fight begin. Through the fog I hear the gong, guided by the spirits the battles come. The sacred bell rings, the energy flows, the Hmong shaman stands where the courage grows. With the wind at my back and the earth in my soul, through the spirits I found control. Every step, every move, every strike, every sound, the shaman warrior rises breaking the ground. Feel the power, let it flow. Shaman warrior, watch me glow. The spirits guide, I'm not alone. Hmong warrior, take the throne. Strike, rise, feel the flame. Through the veil I walk unseen, a warrior's heart where shadows gleam. The spirits whisper, the ancestors call. I fight for my people, I fight for us all. My hands hold fire, my soul holds peace. The battle within will never cease. Through the night I claim the sky. Hmong shaman warrior, watch me fly. With the stars as my guide and the moon as my light, I summon the spirits to join the fight. Every chant, every step, every bond, every cry, the shaman warrior lives, he'll never die. Feel the power, let it flow. Shaman warrior, watch me glow. The spirits guide, I'm not alone. Hmong warrior, take the throne. Drop, strike, rise, feel the flame. Through the realms of life and death, the spirits bless each breath. I am the bridge, I am the flame. Shaman warrior, remember my name. The gong plays on the beat of the heart, a warrior's soul never torn apart. From the spirit world to the battlefield, Hmong shaman warrior, I'll never yield. The power, let it flow. Shaman warrior, watch me glow. The spirits guide, I'm not alone. Hmong warrior, take the throne. Strike, rise, feel the flame.